Hi guys, good morning. This is me, Aphilion. So for today's video ay didiscuss natin itong bagong update na dumating, specifically itong NPC na to, si Harvest Reaper. Ayan. Once na kinausap mo siya, ayan, yun yung option na pwede mong pagpilian. So, ang makukuha mo dito na reward is this limited stock na sa bird spine. Ayan, which is nauubos siya. I think this is for 1 hour. Oo, tama. 1 hour siya. Ayan, meron siyang limited stocks lang. And then secondary rewards itong Spooky Chest, which is nagbibigay siya ng new pets and seed. Ito yung pinakamataas niya is itong Worm Plant and Mommy, which is 1% lang yung percentage na pwede mo siyang makuha. And then this gearbox, syempre, yung dati pa rin to, and then yung Spooky Egg, which is nagbibigay ng this list of pets. So yung pinakalas niya is yung times 15 na candy corn. Ayun. So basically, yung gawin mo lang dito is merong mga nakapaikot na parang floating fire na nasa paligid nitong NPC na to. Ang dapat mo nung gawin dito ay offeran mo sila ng fruit. For example, ito, strawberry. Kailangan ilalagay mo dito yung strawberry na may spooky mutation. Ayan. Ito, strawberry. Yan. Basta i-fill up mo lang yung kailangan yung fruit. So, yun. I think ito much better and mas effective if madami kang kasama para siguro ma-complete yung task na mas mabilis. Kasi limited nun yung stocks like this one. 4 minutes pa lang yung nakalipas. 800 na yung naubos out of 25,000. So yun. Na siguro pag weekends, masabad nauubos to. So yun guys.